Carbon deposits build up in every engine, hurting engine performance, decreasing fuel economy, and increasing emissions. If neglected, especially in gasoline direct injection engines, or GDI, deposits can cause costly repairs. We offer an effective 3-step fuel system cleaning service with patented decarbon foam technology. It's proven to remove up to 80% of deposits in any engine, including those tough-to-clean GDI engines. Step 1. Decarbon foam cleans the intake system. The foam soaks on your intake valves, softening the hard carbon deposits. This soaking cycle is repeated several times. Then Clean Sweep is introduced into the air intake to remove the softened deposits from the intake valves. Finally, Power Clean is poured into the fuel tank. With just one tank, Power Clean cleans fuel injectors and combustion chambers. Our fuel system cleaning service restores engine performance and fuel economy while reducing emissions and avoiding expensive engine teardown. Ask your service advisor about a complete fuel system cleaning service today.